Hello and welcome everyone. So it's time for a mail call, and I'm joined here in the kitchen actually, which I set up in the kitchen, joined by some Yule candle here, counting down for Christmas. I don't know how many of you use that. And this little one we call a nisse in Danish. So they're all kind of everywhere. I'll just show you. Over here is a complete little landscape, very, enjoyable, and some condensation on the window. I'll have to take care of that later. And behind me there is a tiny Yule tree. So happy Yule, everyone, or Yule as we say here in Denmark. So I think I'm a bit crooked now. So a mail call. This just in. I told you there's going to be a few videos up this week, and this is one of them. I'll try to make sure that the shaving video is going to be sort of shortened down a bit, so I won't take up that much of your time. I know you're all busy with shaving and all that stuff. I'm very much looking forward to this. There should be something else in here besides the thing that I bought. I'm very excited to give you the very first glance of it. I didn't even open it, so I'm not quite sure where to start. And I put the tools to the test here. So let's see where to begin. Yeah, that was right. Here, it's all the way from Italy, by the way, and it was sent Thursday around noon, and now it is the following week, and it's Tuesday afternoon, so about 5 days of travel. I might dare say that's quick. And if I'm struggling to get something open, I will make a cut if I'm not babbling as I'm doing now. Oh, this is nice. Woo, nice. Oh, sorry, I'm getting overexcited here. Alright, I'll be showing you what... Alright, this is... I won't be pronouncing your name, the guy that I bought this from, because I'm afraid to butcher it completely. I'm not Italian at all, so thank you very much for the deal and all the nice extra stuff that you put in here. This seems to be some Wilkinson sword shaving cream. Never tried it. Actually, I haven't heard of it. So I'll be very much looking forward to testing this out for you. So that's one. Can I put it like it's still in the shot? Yeah, perhaps. Alright. There's so much, I don't know where to start here. Thank you so much. I'm very for all this extra stuff that you put in this bag. I'm really grateful. Thank you. I believe he is a subscriber to the channel. This looks like a brush actually. Snap, and it should be an Omega brush. High brush, made in Italy. I don't know if you could tell. Seems to have been used. It just smells a little bit perfumey. But I don't quite know if it looks synthetic actually. So I think this is a synthetic brush. Nice, short, little one. Nice. Thank you. So what else is in here? I'll go with this. I'm getting out of room. Now in the post, this is actually from contact through Facebook on the marketplace. And in the marketplace sort of announcement, it did say it would come with some additional soaps. I'm not quite sure these were the ones, but I don't really care. There's, you know, extra soap, so that's nice. Now this looks... I've never seen this before. Do you know this? And it says here, it's a Disney label, and this says Once Upon a Time. There is something written here. It's not that clear. Created by Alessio D, and then there's a long Italian name I won't be trying to pronounce. Seems to be a hot soap a bit. Crow. Alright. Yeah, interesting. I'll be trying this out also. And then a Stirling dunshire. Also, there's scooped up some here. Perhaps there's been a turnaround. Alright, I'll be trying that out as well. This looks like some matching splash for the Once Upon a Time soap. Very nice scent, really. Thank you so much. Alright, so this is what I actually ordered. It is in this. The box is empty now. I'll be very much looking forward to see the condition when this is in. Obviously, I've seen pictures, but it's something else when you get it sort of in your hands, right? Ooh, this looks nice. This is beautiful, guys. I'll get everything out of the way here. It's what I ordered. Slim adjustable. And it says, I'll have to look at M2. This is the back. It seems to be a very nice condition, this. And that's been a bit cold, but the mechanism works very fine. Look, listen. Great condition. Thank you so much, and thank you all for watching. I'll be very much looking forward to trying all of this out in future videos. So I'll just get this disinfected and cleaned, not because I don't think it needs to, but it's been sitting in plastic like this, and there could be some dirt on that plastic, but just to be safe, you know. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'm sorry for all the videos that's going to be coming out today. Oh my God, this is just smooth. Look at the inside, though. Not a thing. Original plating, this. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll see you later for the Tuesday shave. Stay safe. Goodbye.